They lead, they serve, and today we honor them. Welcome to Hats Off. Join us as we celebrate not just the JCI Week, but the journey of JCI Baliwag Buntal through the voices of the leaders who made it all possible. I am Jonna, and for today's episode, we're joined by a very special guest. Our guest today is someone who truly embodies the Hats Off spirit. He is a licensed registered nurse and a licensed environmental planner, a Master of Arts in Urban and Regional Planning from UP Diliman, where he was a Dean's Medallion awardee, plus a Masters of Management in Environmental Planning from PCU. And believe it or not, he's currently finishing his PhD in Development Administration. In JCI, he served as the 2024 President of JCI Baliwag Buntal, where he was named Most Outstanding Local Organization President in the Area 2 Conference, and even received the Star Local President Award at the JCI World Congress in Taiwan. Currently, he serves our community as the City Planning and Development Coordinator and Zoning Administrator of Baliwag City. And recently, he was recognized as the 2025 Most Outstanding Local Planning and Development Officer by the DILG Bulacan. Please welcome one of the JCI Baliwag Buntal past presidents, ENP Alvin Lee Asuro.
Hi, Jonna!
Hi, Pres Alvin, and welcome to Hats Off. So, pakibati naman yung mga viewers and listeners natin today.
Hello sa ating mga ka-JCI members and sa lahat po ng nakikinig sa ating podcast ngayon na Hats Off.
Pres, balikan natin So, paano nagsimula yung journey mo dito sa JCI Baliwag Buntal?
As I can remember, taong 2021 siya, kung saan right after ng pandemic, naisipan din ng ating butihing Mayor Ferdy Estrella na i-revive yung chapter ni Baliwag Buntal through President Royet Mulod. So, noong 2021 na yun, gather kami, yung mga youth advocates sa ating lungsod, kung saan dun kami officially nagpa-member sa JCI. So, I can remember na sa Baliwag Business Center to ginawa, taong 2021, and kung saan dun kami talagang nag-commit na maging member ng Junior Chamber International Baliwag Buntal Chapter.
Ano naman yung naging most memorable experience mo during that time na nag-join ka sa JCI?
For me, yung pinaka-memorable talaga is yung pag-attend dun sa National Convention. Kasi dun mo ma-experience and mararamdaman talaga kung ano yung impact na ginagawa mo para sa community mo and kung ito ba talaga yung nagiging effective at na-appreciate ng mga taong pinagbibigyan natin ng service na to.
So, as a president na, iba na yung level of responsibility doon. So, paano mo hinahandle yung mga pressures and expectation ng society natin?
Actually, yun yung pinaka-commitment talaga. Pag nag-president ka sa Junior Chamber International Local Chapter, kinakailangan talagang hindi lang ma-meet yung mga expectation, but of course, masurpass mo kung ano ba yung ine-expect sa'yo. But sa experience ko, ang talagang nakatulong sa akin dito is yung supportive members and yung ating mga PPs na kung saan hindi ko dinala mag-isa yung pressure at yung bigat ng responsibilidad as the president of JCI Baliwag Buntal. Bagkus, pinagtulong-tulungan natin siya para mas maibigay pa yung nararapat na service and activities para sa ating mga kabaliwagenyo dito sa lungsod.
Okay. So let's talk about your leadership and legacy. Ano sa mga project ng JCI yung pinakamalapit sa puso mo?
Siguro ito hindi na siya surprise sa lahat, yung Wonder Nanays. Yun talaga yung project na talagang isinusog ko at until na gusto ko na sana ay patuloy siya dahil mas nakikita dito yung halaga nung gender and development as well as yung equality between males and females kung saan mas ini-empower pa natin yung mga kababaihan na mas maging equal yung pagtingin dito sa ating society.
So sabi leadership is about the people. Pwede mo bang i-share sa atin kung ano yung naging style of leadership mo on your presidency?
Actually, yung sa style ng leadership ko, it's a combination ng autocratic and democratic eh. Kasi usually, pag nagkakaroon ng meeting during my time, nakapresent na yung mga options. But it doesn't hinder yung ating mga members to, of course, share their opinions and suggestions kung meron pang mas kapaki-pakinabang na opinion or gawain na mas better dun sa mga naihain na natin sa kanila. So, it's a 50-50 for the members and of course dun sa ating mga BODs and sa leader natin.
So, beyond the title, let's talk about yung personal growth. So, ano yung naituro sa'yo, ano yung nabago in your personality nung ikaw na yung nag-lead doon sa organization?
Kasi personally ako, hindi ako people person eh. Pero nung naging president ako ng JCI, I had to compel myself na to be out there, talagang i-immerse ko yung sarili ko sa lahat ng members and organization, different local organization ng JCI, kung saan natuto kong makiharap sa bawat uri ng tao, malaman kung paano yung tamang pakikisalamuha sa kanila. And with that, I think mas na-develop ko sa sarili ko yung communication skills. And at the same time, ito hanggang ngayon ginagamit ko din yung sa parliamentary procedure sa ating pagtatrabaho dahil dito talaga na professionalize din sa JCI yung pagsaset ko ng mga meetings and at the same time yung sa ating gawain sa opisina.
And now, ano yung naging realization mo after naman nung presidency?
Ang realization ko, wag kang mag-president pag may partner ka. Joke lang. Kidding aside, ang realization ko, everyone should have the opportunity na mag-serve sa ating local organization as a BOD or as a president so that ma-inculcate sa atin bakit ba talaga natin ginagawa or bakit tayo nagme-member dito sa ating local organization. Is it just for the sake na magkaroon tayo ng friends or more than that makatulong tayo dun sa ating mga nasasakupan dito sa local organization which is yun nga yung ating mga kababayan dito sa lungsod ng Baliwag.
Okay, so Pres Alvin, pwede mo bang mabigyan din ng message ang ating current president, Pres Ray?
And kay Pres Ray, una sa lahat, congratulations sa iyong 1 year to lead. Alam ko na nasa iyong kapasidad upang lalo pang i-elevate yung ating local organization ng Baliwag Buntal. And truth to be told, hindi naman tayo bibigyan ni Lord ng mga challenges na hindi natin kakayanin. And rest assured na ang buong pwersa ng JCI Baliwag Buntal, kami mga pipis mo ay lagi lang nasa likod mo. Anytime ang suporta namin nasa iyo, hindi ka magdadalawang sabi, andito kami for you. And congratulations na agad sa iyong 1 year to lead and hopefully lahat ng mga targets mo for your year of leadership is mahit mo siya.
Game tayo, Pres.
Ay, saan?
Quick answers lang.
Okay.
So may mga questions ako. Pili ka lang kung ano yung sagot na gusto mo doon. Okay. Parliamentary procedure or informal meeting?
Parliamentary procedure.
Induction or fellowship?
Induction.
Okay. One word to describe your presidency?
Legendary.
Okay. Cocktails or hard drinks?
Hard drinks.
Project na gusto mong ulitin?
Wonder Nanay.
And leadership in one word?
Synergy.
Alright. So, before we end, Pres Alvin, meron ka bang message para sa ating mga members and also sa listeners and viewers?
Ayan. So, una sa lahat, we encourage every youth here in Baliwag to consider joining yung JCI Baliwag Buntal para mas lalo magkaroon ng pakipakinabangan yung inyong mga free time para instead na we are just lazing around sa mga bahay is magkaroon tayo ng opportunity na makatulong doon sa ating mga vulnerable sectors and at the same time mas ma-develop pa or ma-enhance yung ating mga intra and interpersonal skills dahil dito talaga sa JCI Baliwag Buntal more than an organization, it's something or someone na nakakatulong sa ating socio-economic ng ating lungsod. So, thank you so much for having me. And also, I would like to greet each and everyone ng Happy JCI Week!
Again, thank you, Pres Alvin, for sharing your story, your inspiration sa ating lahat. And truly, your leadership is a hats off para sa bawat isa at lalong-lalo na sa members ng JCI Baliwag Buntal. We tip our hats to the leaders who don't just lead, they build. Because at the end of the day, your success isn't measured by who follows you, but by the leaders you've empowered to take the lead themselves. Celebrating JCI Week with you all, this has been Hats Off. I am Jonna of JCI Baliwag Buntal. Happy JCI Week, everyone, and see you on the next one.